Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry I didn't get to make a video on Friday. Didn't have the chance after work. So anyways, what I was working on today, first thing I started out was with this pipe here. Just going over to connect this, whatever that is, some kind of vent. So I ran a pipe over there in a box, and I just did a 90-90 just to get to the wall as fast as possible. And then next I worked on this pipe over here. This right pipe coming out the top. So I did this one right here, going up there, and then over into the top of this. Once again, I forgot what this is, some type of something. So anyways, I almost got all 5 bends in one pipe. I got the offset, which is 2, the 90, which is 3, the kick is 4, and then another 90 right there. And I'm not good at back-to-back 90s. I don't really know the formula for that, so I was a little short, so I had to cut it and put a coupling right there. So otherwise I would have had it. And then yep. And then I'll show you what I did next, which was going up these, whatever these are called. I really don't know the name of anything. So these beams right here. So I did this one right here, which goes up the side, and then they wanted an offset to match all the other ones. Otherwise I would have just personally kicked it once. And then it goes to this box right there. And as you can see, these are pretty high off the ground, so I had to take one of these lifts and go over the top of this beam because it's in the way. So it's pretty high up there, so a little sketch because the wind was blowing, and when you drive over the extension cords, it kind of like shakes the whole thing, real sketch. So anyways, show you this next one. Actually, someone's kind of there in the thing falling. So I got this one right here. Same thing over the top. And another one I did, or not, those were 2 of those. And then another thing I did, I would start to run this box right here, right there, and that's just where I got so far. So I got 2 sticks on there. It's gonna have to go up and over this, up and over that beam like this one is right there. Last thing I worked on right here, had to strap this pipe to the wall that was already there, mount this box, and then mount that box. Same thing, running the wire into that box, but the pipe right here was bent too far out, so I was struggling to get that box mounted for a really long time, because by the time I realized the pipe was, the box offset was too far off the wall, I'd already been struggling with it for a while. So I took it apart, bent it back down closer to the wall, and then I think I got it first try. So yeah, so if it usually doesn't go, there's usually a reason. So yep, so that's all I did today. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. Like I said, I apologize for not getting a video out to you on Friday. I couldn't record after work, had to ride home with someone, so we had to leave. So anyways, yep, hope you enjoyed. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It greatly helps me out. I'd appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys back tomorrow. And hope you participate in the comments if you got something you want to say, or if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to help you answer that. So see you guys later. Peace out.